In today's video, we're going to talk about the precious metals and stock market being on a little bit of a decline and why I'm anticipating this week to be a very red week. And you currently only have 1 day left to join the VIP club if you want to get entered in my September giveaway. Link in the description. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about silver and also gold, and also the stock market being on a bit of a downtrend this week. I believe we're going to see quite a bit of red, and I'm going to explain why that's what I believe, because we've had a lot of craziness go on over the last month, even more so over the last week, even more so over the last couple of days. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Got the brand new Lone Wolf collection out now. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today is Monday, August 30th, 2021. The current spot price of silver is $23.90, a red day for silver, down 9 cents. Spot price of gold is $18.0930, a red day for gold as well, down $7.50. And the gold to silver ratio is in the 75-to-1 range, but of course that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. But today I wanted to talk about a variety of reasons that we're seeing a lot of chaos going on right now, and why I believe it'll trickle on into the markets, why I believe that there are a lot of people right now who are going through fear, uncertainty, and doubt, people who are very hesitant and standoffish, people who are very nervous who are in the markets right now, whether it be precious metals or whether it be the stock market. And I want to talk about how all of the craziness that we've been seeing go on right here in the US as well as overseas, I believe is going to have a negative impact on the markets temporarily for the short term this week, I believe. So what I'm going to do in this video is include a clip from the live stream that I just did in the VIP club. I try to do a market open live stream every Monday, and I also live stream every single Wednesday evening, and I also do daily silver and gold deal alerts and giveaways and a whole bunch more. Link in the description if you want to join. But I'm going to be taking a clip. It's a little bit of a lengthy clip, but that's because I'm leaving in as much detail and as much context as I can regarding spot price updates, regarding updates on the stock market periodically over the course of about 30 minutes. I narrowed it down to maybe 10 or 11 minutes worth of a clip, but I talk about everything that's going on in the world that's having an impact on our economy, having an impact on a variety of different countries, and it's all going to be in the clip that I'm going to show right here, and then once it's over I'm going to hop back on and offer a little bit more of my opinion and some expectations. Here's the clip. Here we go. The market opens in about 15 minutes, and I'm very curious what we're going to see today. After everything that happened last week, something tells me, it might not be today, but something tells me that this week we're going to be on a downtrend, and that's in reference to the precious metals and the stock market. The reason I say that is because there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt surrounding a couple of different things. For example, everything going on in Afghanistan, that's pretty evident. A lot of people are fearful over that right there. Initially, pulling out the troops and then sending a couple of thousand back because of all the chaos going on has people nervous, thinking to themselves, oh no, how many more are we going to have to send back? How much is this going to cost? And then it kind of got a little bit worse. It got a whole lot worse. We've now had several attacks. We have public executions going on over there. The airport is pretty much surrounded. We've lost, at this point, I believe 13 service members. And there are threats that more attacks are on the way. And August 31st is the deadline we were given to get everyone out of there. Well, the 31st is tomorrow. So that has a lot of people scared. That has a lot of people nervous, hesitant. A lot of people are fearful. A lot of people don't know what that means. And on top of that, toward the end of last week, I believe it was Thursday going into Friday, or Friday going into Saturday. It was one of the two. The Supreme Court blocked the eviction ban, which means we could potentially be only a couple of days or a week or so away from the beginning of a mass eviction crisis, which I just posted a quick little video on my backup channel about. Not to mention inflation being right around the corner. A lot of people believe inflation is already here. I believe it's already started. I don't believe we've even scratched the surface just yet. A lot of people are also nervous about tax hikes. That's probably a little bit more in the distant future rather than the near future, but it's still something that's on the table. Not to mention, we also have an issue with unemployment right now. We have a lot of small businesses and also, not for nothing, massive corporations that have a shortage of workers. So in conclusion, we have foreign conflict. A lot of people are saying we are on the brink of an all-out war. We have a potential housing crisis coming up. We have people who are not working. We have companies and businesses that have no employees or have very few employees and they need more. We have a big problem in front of us, and all of these things weigh on the market. Anything that has to do with world news or the economy or really anything, the state of the dollar bill, really weighs on the markets. And we are currently only 10 minutes away from the market open. So I'm very curious to see what's actually going to be going on. That's an issue right there. Oh, that's the 60-second timer. 9:29. We are about to open. Less than a minute to go. I have Kitco pulled up. I mean, we can already take a look at the precious metals, but I'm going to do it at 9:30. We're going to take a look at silver. We're going to take a look at gold. We're going to take a look at the gold to silver ratio. And obviously, we're going to take a look at the stock market, which opens up in less than 1 minute. Not exactly sure what to expect. Today seems like it can really, truly go in either direction. I really can't even guess. But my assumption is that we're going to have a pretty red week. Don't know if we're going to have a red day. I kind of feel like we are. Only time will tell. 60 seconds will... Oh, okay, it's 9:30, it's 9:30, it's 9:30. Let's see what we have going on right now. We have... Let's see. We have the S&P up 0.16%, Dow Jones up 0.07%, We have the NASDAQ up 0.26%. We're in the green so far. Let's see if that'll hold. And then as for the precious metals, let's see. We got silver, and I can show this one on screen actually. Silver, 24.13. We're up 15 cents for silver. Gold would be, let's see. Ooh, gold's down a little bit. Look at that. 1814.80. And the gold to silver ratio is currently in the 75-to-1 range. That's just off my phone. Best I can do while I'm live streaming. 10 a.m. Not 9:30 anymore. See, we were in the green, barely in the green for the most part. Silver is, well, now it's kind of flatlined. 23.98, lower than it was when the market opened. Gold was barely in the red. Let me do another gold update really quick. Okay, gold is still in the red. So if both metals haven't really moved all too much, you know that the ratio hasn't moved very much. Still in the 75-to-1 range. But as for the stock market, S&P is up a little bit, NASDAQ is up a little bit, but the Dow Jones is down a little bit. I'm seeing a variety of individual stocks and ETFs in the red. I'm seeing more green than red, let's be honest, but I don't know, it seems like today we're on a little bit of shaky ground. So here's my honest expectation for the week, my honest expectation moving forward. I think we're going to see some green, but I think overall, I think it's going to be a red week. I think, not to mention, I also hope the spot price of silver continues on a little bit of a downtrend. I would like to see gold fall below 1,800 bucks. I would like to see silver stay below 24 bucks. I would like to load up on some more silver and gold, as I've been. Got some new, well, not new technically, but some constitutional silver. I also have some gold backs in the mail on their way. Let me actually do, let's see, let me track them down really quick. They should be delivered within the next day or so, so that's good news. But my honest expectation is that I think we're going to see far more red than green this week, at least, as the week goes by. And it might be a slow burn. It might be a very slow, subtle decline. And also, for the record, I could be completely wrong. But with everything going on right now and all the fear that we're seeing and all of the chaos that we're seeing right here in the States and also overseas that we're unfortunately entrenched in, I don't think we're going to see a massive sell-off by any means. I don't think we're going to see a crash in any way, shape, or form. But I do think we're going to be on a little bit of a downtrend. I do believe people are going to be potentially liquidating. I think people are going to be hesitant. I think people are going to be standoffish. When it comes to investing, at least. When it comes to stacking, whole different story. But I don't necessarily foresee the spot price on much of an incline this week. But who knows? At the end of the day, who really knows? Only time will tell. So yeah, that was about an 11-minute clip taken from an hour-long VIP Club live stream. Again, I go live every single Wednesday night, and I try to go live every Monday morning, and I also do monthly giveaways, daily silver and gold deal alerts, and a whole bunch more. Link in the description if you want to join. But those are some of my honest opinions, expectations, and that's just what I'm anticipating to see over the next few days, over the next week maybe. I don't think we're going to be exactly on much of an incline. I personally believe we're going to be on more of a downtrend, at least in the short term. And as I always say, that just means what I want to buy is on sale. I could stack at a discounted price. I can invest at a discounted price. I can save at a discounted price. So I'm all for it. I love the red days. I hope to see plenty more of them. I want to load up on more silver. I was only able to get some constitutional. Here's one of the bags that I always have. I don't have my new silver easily accessible, nor do I have my new gold backs, because the gold backs haven't arrived just yet, but they'll be here pretty soon. Within the next few days, I will be doing an unboxing. I might actually do a VIP Club unboxing, assuming they arrive before Wednesday night, but who knows. But moving forward, if we continue on this downtrend, and if I end up being correct about more red days throughout the course of the week, if we see a continuous decline in the spot price, and if the stock market keeps lowering as well, I would like to get me some more gold. And when I say gold, I'm not talking about gold backs like I just showed. I want to get some more gold coins like I have up there at the top. Haven't gotten any in a few months. I've just been focusing on silver for the most part. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it comes to everything going on in the world right now, whether it be the eviction ban getting canceled, whether it be Afghanistan, whether it be unemployment, whether it be anything that I talked about in this video, inflation, anything, or a variety of other issues as well. There's a lot of craziness going on with China right now, a lot of craziness going on all over the place, to be quite honest with you. How do you think it's going to impact the markets in the short term? We don't have to talk about what going on today is going to do to the markets 15 years from now. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the short term. Of course, when it comes to stacking the precious metals and investing, it's important to focus on the long term, but it's also important to pay attention to what's going on in the short term. If you stay focused, if you keep your eyes on all of the markets, it can help you notice when there's an opportunity right in front of you, and then you have the ability to capitalize on it. But with everything going on right now, how do you believe it's going to temporarily or in the short term impact the stock market or the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shoutouts, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to hit that subscribe button like a Karen hits a bus window. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. A bunch of brand new videos over there. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 3,000 subscribers. We just hit 2,000, and I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed
T-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products. T-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, such as the recently released Kraken Stackin' T-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin, which, by the way, is helping us raise a little bit of funds and awareness for ocean cleanup charity organizations.
And of course, the brand new DYDSS Lone Wolf t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, coffee mug, and long sleeve tee, available in 4 different colors, and a portion of the proceeds are going towards the International Wolf Center.
Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again.
Number 1, what is the current spot price for you? Is silver in the red? Is it in the green? Of course, make sure to let me know the date and time you're viewing the video. That way I can keep track. But also, more importantly, what do you think everything going on right now is going to do to the markets in the short term? Let's talk about this week. Let's not talk about by the end of the year or the second quarter of next year or 15 years from now. Let's focus on this week. Let's focus on what's right in front of us. Do you think all this craziness and chaos is going to lead to a downtrend? Do you think it's going to lead to potentially a sell-off? Do you think it's going to lead to prices going up, prices going down? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.